This isn't really a car video, it's a marketing video. Some may not want to hear it, but it's true, and I'm telling you the truth to help protect you so you know what's going on. Scenario. This happens often. Someone will own a late model car that's somewhat slightly out of warranty. Say out of a 40 or 50,000 mile warranty, they have 60,000 miles, and they get hit with a major car repair to the engine, for example, that'll cost north of $4,000 to fix. It's never happened to me yet, but it happens, and it's an extremely hard pill to swallow. Most people will naturally assume it's an engineering or quality flaw, since 60,000 miles shouldn't be really all that much for most cars and shouldn't really have major damage. And they generally are right. After the sticker shock of the repair bill estimate, they turn to the manufacturer hoping for help and a significant discount. They'll contact, for example, Mercedes-Benz USA and will essentially receive no cooperation. If they call and complain enough, sometimes the manufacturer will say, okay, do the repairs at the dealership and we'll take $500 off the total bill. Now, $500 is better than nothing, but it's their way to have you shut up and go away. Why do they do this and not help you more, even if you're on your second or third car from the brand? It's because you're not their customer, even though you drive their cars. I understand brand loyalty and its consequences and all that good stuff we teach marketing students. But you're the dealership's customer, not theirs. I said this in another marketing video. Car manufacturers sell to car dealers. That's their customers. Car manufacturers are in the business of selling new cars. They don't care as much about used cars as you think. At one point, maybe you did buy a brand new car from them, and you received a new car limited warranty. And so now, unfortunately, your warranty is up. And that's really the manufacturer's position. So send me your comments and questions, and each week you'll get a chance to win a copy of one of my books. Your choice, either my book on presentation skills or business writing skills.